Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Thursday. The song is Show Me. The artist is Ayers, and the choreography is Nikki, Them Pearls, and PeeJay, I.F.E. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you would like to learn the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go, Thursday. Check out the instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the PeeJay teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.